Organising your home can seem like an overwhelming process, but if you break it into manageable chunks and go through your possessions methodically, you can eliminate the stress. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organizetoexcel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for almost 15 years, and I'm here today to help you organise your home. I recommend starting with a small area first, instead of trying to overhaul your whole house at once. Find an area in your home you'd like to organise and use the acronym I CARE to streamline the process. Identify your goals for organising. What does organised look like to you? If you know what you want before you start, you'll be able to accomplish more. Categorise your items. Purge items first. Return recent purchases if you find you don't need or want them. Sell items that are worth the time it takes to list on a website like eBay or go through a garage sale. Donate what isn't worth selling but could be useful to someone else. Recycle paper and plastic according to your local regulations. As a last resort, throw away trash that can't be returned, sold, donated, or recycled. Repair items that are fixable instead of buying a new one to cut down on waste. Keep items that you love or need. Assign homes for things. Keep like with like and labelled containers and make finding what you need simple. Relationships. Do you use an item often? Keep it within easy reach. Do you love an item and want to see it all the time? Display it. Think about how you interact with each item in your home to determine how to store it. Ease of maintenance. Make it easy to put things back in their proper place, or you won't put it away at all. You should be able to maintain your system with small actions that you do often. You can apply this system to any area of your home, big or small. Organising your home can be rewarding and fun when you break it down into achievable goals. Start small with a project you know you can and will do. Then enjoy your sense of accomplishment and try a new area. Organizetoexcel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website www.organizetoexcel.com.